found your ship. The Impossible.
How delightful. I have no doubt you will make a fine captain.
But she's a wreck. Her sails are broken, the dome is cracked, and the star mark shattered.
She is more than wood and sails. More than her dome or her star mark. Oh, she is an idea. A symbol of our resilience. She is a testament to our capacity to dream and turn those dreams into reality. Once you remember that, she will fly.
Walk in the shadowland, nobody's innocent. Hand in mouth, we live like demons. Stuck in the phantom zone, lost in a thunderdome. Twilight ruled the day. We found the impossible, now we're unstoppable. Taking off the world beneath us. Strong under pressure, we'll make it together. Our universe will change. Freedom, looking down a telescope. Starlight, never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us down to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset, never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Straight to the galaxy, faster than sanity. Left behind a land forsaken. Black holes and meteors, riding on shooting stars. Fearless like our dreams. We shoot down a satellite, wings of a butterfly. Constellations recreate and fighting for liberty. Raising the energy, bursting at the seams. Freedom, looking down a telescope. Starlight, never been so beautiful. Whole world waiting for us down to go. Escaping gravity. We'll be rising high above the rain. Sunset, never gonna be the same. Thunder calling us to outer space. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Escaping gravity. Starlight dances in the silver of the night sky. Way above the clouds, we will be sailing high. Sailing high. Sailing high. Ooh, you and me, we're gonna touch the stars. Find the center of the universe. New reality in front of us. Escaping